currently at the Oxbow boat ramp at Hoover Reservoir, and we're about to go on a little kayak trip this afternoon. Over there is Tara and Matt, and they'll be joining me on this trip. There's Matt and there's Tara. Looks like she's getting a hang of kayaking. Today is her first day on a kayak, so I think she might like it. And that's Matt's new boat. I'm liking his new boat. Today there isn't a lot of people on the water right now. It's just been pretty quiet so far. You might be able to hear one motorboat in the background, but I think they're only limited to 10 horsepower, so we're not going to get a lot of wake. And that's Matt. And that's Matt causing collisions.
Hey buddy.
Hey buddy. So what do you think of your boat so far?
I like it. Does the job.
I like your little cockpit right up there.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I don't have any of that.
That's where I store the cocks.
And he puts it in his pits. Selfies.
Yeah, a picture of us taking a picture.
Oh God.
Taking a video of you guys taking a picture.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yay.
Hey, what's with that video of us on the train? You got me looking like I'm pissed off or something on it. Did you see that?
You look pissed off all the time, though. It's just your face.
Yeah, man, that's just your resting bitch face.
I'm on a train with a bicycle and beer. Like, I'm not angry.
That's your RBF. You can't help it. That's just your face. Oh, livers! Now that we're a little bit further away from the islands, it's starting to get a little bit rougher. The wind has picked up because we're not being blocked by the islands. It's still calmer than I've seen previously, but it makes for rocking boats. And we are going into the wind against the current. I guess we're getting a pretty good workout. Actually, we are getting a pretty good workout. And I'm tucked behind this little island where there's less current and not as windy. And there's cool little birds just flying around me. So I dropped behind one of the islands, which is over there. As you can tell, the water's a lot calmer out here than where Matt and Tara are back out that way. You might see them coming up shortly, but it was a lot of waves and a lot of wind. Significantly calmer on this side. So we're heading back to the dock. We're just passing this island. And we're gonna see what we're gonna do from there. Lift! All right, Tara, Matt.
See you, buddy.
All right, see you guys later. So that's the road to get to the Oxbow boat ramp. Usually there's a lot of people fishing on that bank, but today there's been no one there. It didn't seem too hard.